Welcome back to SolidWorks means Creo parametric 2D drawing tutorial. On the previous video we have make this drawing, means we have learned how to create this and this two drawing. In this video we will make this 2D drawing in the Creo parametric 8.0. If you have not watched previous video, then please watch that video. If you like our channel, then subscribe and share with your friends and learn how to use the Creo parametric software. So let's make our drawing. Okay, so how to make it? We will first make this circle of the dia 8 mm. Click on center line, make two center line, click on circle and make the circle of the dia 8 mm. Okay, then the outer dia is 16 because the radius is 8. Click on circle, give the dimension 16. Okay, this is ready. Then we have to create this circle and this circle. What is the dimension of that circle is dia 2. Click on circle and make two circles. Give the dimension 2. These both are equal. Then the distance between them is 32. So this is 16 and this is also 16. Then the outer diameter, radius is 2, so outer diameter is 4. Outer diameter is 4. So both are equal. So automatically adjust it. Then we need to create this tangent line. For that, go here, click on line tangent, click here, again click here, click here, and likewise the tangent line you can draw. Then we need to remove this extra portion. Go on the delete segment, remove unnecessary portion. Okay. Then we have to create this circle of radius 10. So dia is 20 and dia is 22. 20 and 22. Go on the line, circle, and make two circles of dia 20 and 22. Okay. Then we need to create this two line. The distance is 6 mm. Go in the line and make the line. The distance is 6 mm. So go here, click here and give the dimension 3. Click here and give the dimension 3. Then remove unnecessary portion which is not required. Likewise, we have created this 2D geometric. Okay, our 2D drawing is right now ready. So next we will create this 2D drawing in the Creo parametric. So remove this unnecessary part. Click on center line and make two center line. Okay. Then we first create this small circle of dia 10. Go in the circle and make the circle of dia 10. Then again we need to create another circle. What is a dia 14? Okay. Go in the circle, give the dimension 14. Next, this is the, then on this circle we need to create this this 4 circle of the dia 1.2. Click on the circle and give the dia 1.2. 1.2. Likewise, we have created. So it is at the 45 degree. It is at the 45 degree. So we will it is at the 45 degree. So what is the distance? This height and this height, both are equal. Both are equal. So we will go in the line and right click here and give the construction. Go in the dimension and give the angle 45 degree. Okay, so it is fully defined. Then we need to we will mirror this circle on this side. So click on mirror, click on this center line. Again we will click here, go in the mirror and click here. So likewise the 4 circle is right now created. Then we need to create this outer radius. The radius is 1, so dia is 2. So make sure the constraint is applied. Again give the dimension here. The dimension is 2. Okay. And what we need to do? We need to create the horizontal and the vertical line. Go in the line, go here and give the line. Again go here and make the line. Again go here, make the line. Again go here and make the line. Likewise the line needs to be created. Go here, give the dimension, give the line, give the line. Then click on modify, delete segment, remove unnecessary portion. Remove this unnecessary extra portion. Control Z. Go in the delete segment and remove unnecessary portion. Go in the delete segment and remove it. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. And remove. 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 Again remove. 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 And remove. Again this is ready. Remove this. Remove this. And remove this. As you can see, our geometry is now fully ready according to our sketch. So thank you very much guys. On the next video we will make this drawing and this drawing. Okay, this is the little complicated drawings, so make sure you are learning this video. Thank you very much guys. Subscribe and share.